In this video, we're going to be looking at setting up tasks that you started in the Work Manager. The first thing you'll need to do is go to Work Types and set up the task types which you need. You'll notice that there are 3 default task types: payroll, management accounts and bookkeeping. These cannot be deleted or edited as they are integral to the core functionality. Furthermore, you'll notice that we have both internal tasks and client tasks. Client tasks are tasks which will show in the Work Manager and task ownership rules. Internal tasks simply relate to timesheets and tracking time spent on anything which is internal. So to create your new work type, simply click on this button, enter in the name, ensure that you select live, otherwise you won't be able to choose this work type within the Work Manager or within timesheets, and then decide whether this is a client task or an internal task. Once you've populated work types, you can get cracking on setting up tasks within Work Manager. There are 2 ways to set up tasks: manually, one by one, or by importing tasks. So to manually set up an individual task, simply click on New Task, select the company, select the work type, period of reference, the task owner, the task reviewer. Might be the case that task reviewer and owner are the same. And then your internal deadline, so this will be as per your agreed SLAs, and then the statutory deadline. Usually that is which required by your local tax authorities. Once you've filled out these deadlines, simply decide whether or not your task is recurring. Your task can occur weekly, on the 15th and the last of the month, every other week, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Once all fields have been completed, simply click on Create Task. Then clicking back to Work Manager, you'll now see that the task has been created. If the task is a recurring task, then the task will be created for the period of 1 year. So here we have 12 individual payroll tasks. To bulk import your tasks, click on the Import button here. You'll then be directed to download and use a blank template. Please fill this out following the instructions. It's imperative that the client, user and task names match those on GoCampo. For task owner and task reviewer, be sure to use the owner's first and last name. So here's one that I filled out earlier. As you can see, we have our company name, work type, task owner and reviewer, the internal deadline, statutory deadline, and period of reference. These are all formatted to be in line with the platform. Please do not change the formats. Then simply choose whether or not you wish the task to be visible to the client, and if the task is recurring. If you selected yes, ensure that you have selected a frequency. If you've selected no here and still entered a frequency, then the task will be unrecurring, so it will not repeat. Once you're happy with your file, either browse here or drag and drop. You can reset if you wish to change your mind, or proceed to import. You'll then see the amount of tasks imported, and these will be showing within the Work Manager.